In this video I'm going to show you how you can find blocked contact on WhatsApp. So let's do it. First of all, go to the WhatsApp and you can see I'm on my WhatsApp, and to find the blocked contacts all you have to do is tap on this three dot in the top right corner, this one. From here you have to go to on setting. From here, this is what setting looks like, and from here you have to go to the privacy section, this one, privacy. From here you have to scroll down, and here is the option blocked contacts. This is the list of blocked contacts on your WhatsApp account. So to unblock, all you have to do is tap on the contacts and you can unblock. Please wait. So this is how you find blocked contacts on WhatsApp.